Hi, my name is Alicia Moulton and I'm going to show you how to thread this 1-inch tapered candle mold using our number 2 braided square wick. There are 8 mold holes in this candle, so I'm going to measure about 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to give myself a little extra room for play and tie a knot in the end. We're going to turn the mold upside down and use our forked needle here, the threader, to fork the wicking here and press it down into the hole. Takes kind of some brute strength. We will pull this until the knot comes to the end and then turn it over and do it this way. I'm going to hook this right here at the end. Go down. I'm going to push that. And then I'm not going to show you on the video, but you would go down and then up and down and up through all the holes. Okay, I'm just pulling through the last one. You can see how we've done the down and up and down and up and down and up, clear to the end. Now on this side, we're going to take and get a little slack and put this wood piece through here. This wood piece holds the wicking in the center of the candle. So we'll do this and stick it across, and then we're going to pull it tight around the wood thing. Not super tight, but just tight enough that they stay in the right spot. And then we'll tie a knot here also. Once we've done that, we can take our hot glue gun and we'll put a dab of glue to kind of seal each hole here. So do that. Here is the glue. Almost done with this part. Now we are going to spray with silicone mold release spray, and I'll just kind of pretend to do it because we just do this outside. This is necessary for metal molds, but not for other types of molds. So what we're going to do is just scoot the strings over, spray down each hole, and go and do that here also. Now we're going to pour this mold that's been threaded. I'm going to scooch the strings over to the side while I'm pouring. I'm just going to use this little spigot to, can be kind of messy, so I'm just going to pour until it's about full, and I'm not going to worry if it kind of comes onto the top. I'll just melt that down again after. Just going to fill up these 4. Around, fill out the other 4. Notice that the wax is bubbling a little. It's probably a little too hot, which I'm not going to worry about in a metal mold, but I would worry about in my soft molds. Then we're going to center the strings over the candles so that the wick is centered when we burn them. We can see that after these have cooled a little bit, that some of them need to be topped off. So I'm just going to do that. We want to do that while the candle is still liquid. The hotter the wax, the more the candle will shrink while it's cooling. So we'll get them, try to get them nice and even. And again, I'm not going to really worry about spilling. That's why the lip of the tray is here, and I'll pick that off and put it back in the pot. Here we have a set of tapered candles that is, we've cut the string here and left them long so that they're easy to pull out. And then we're going to we ran the tubes each under hot water, just hot tap water, so that we can just pull them out. And we can see these are completed. So now we'll have 8 stick candles here.